Hello guys, we're back
Give me
again.
back the headset. We're downloading mods.
No, because the microphone only works if they're plugged in. You have to have headphones. Okay, we're gonna be downloading some mods. Find hubs. Workshop. Build-A-Bear Workshop rocks. Build-A-Bear Workshop rocks.
It would not be in workshop.
Yeah, it would. Yeah, it would.
No, just search up Gary's mod.
Gary's mod. Gary's mod. DK. Chunky's dude. GK. Okay. Workshop for Gary's mod. We're gonna search up.
No, I already.
Tornado. Stop.
Yes. No, it's Tornado Highway. Where is it? Keep going down.
Ah, stop.
It is Tornado Highway.
Search up Tornado Highway. Search up Tornado Highway. Okay, I'm gonna move. Guys, this is a bit of content warning. This game does have some bad stuff, but we're not gonna do the bad stuff. Did you search up Tornado Highway? No, I just searched up Tornado HW. Light 4. We be talking about concentrate, never hesitating. Gotta focus, gotta plan. Took action on the man. What can I say at the end of the day? We on Honda the paint. Just buy mama new rip, y'all. About to cop us a crib, no. No need to flex, no bins, no. You said you searched up Tomato Highway. Drake, you searched up Tomato Highway. No, wait, there it is. That's not it. How do you know? Because I know. DK. Chunky's dead. DK. God dang it, where is it? I can't do a pull-up. Oh, that's an 8-6. I can't do a pull-up on my bed. Alright, so add to collection. How do I download this? Oh, you have to subscribe to download. How do you download it? You gotta relaunch them or something. How do you do that? Go into collection. Click the tornado maps. Wait, let's just try launching Gary's mod. Tornado Valley, let's try this. Oh, tune in next time for some Pet Squad racing and passing Pineview Forest. 2 separate videos, by the way. DK. Chunky's dude. DK. Backward thing. I'm just enjoying myself, walking around. About to shoot Drake with a Nerf gun. It's not working. What? Go pause the recording and go online. And hello, we're guys. Back. We're back. So I'm hoping that this actually add-ons. Go to add-ons. See, look, you have it. Uninstall. Okay. You have it. See. All right. So now, how do I enable? Okay, now close the thing. Close it. Close it. How do I? Back to main menu. Right there. Start a new game. Tornado. Start with that one. Alright. Look at this little man right here. Look at this man. Whose man's is this? It's your mom. Whose man's is this guy? It's your mom. Whose man's is this? Oh, you've got a gun. That's fun. You've got a gun. Your mom.
How do I find... Where's cars?
It's vehicles. Go do...
There's an actual...
Go do a buggy. Buggy.
Buggy, okay? Oh, it's E. Pretty sure it's E to get in.
Press C.
That's context menu. Pretty sure it's E to get in.
Try clicking right click. Try like right click.
I love this game.
I love this.
Yeah! Oh! No, watch this. Watch this. Kills himself. Watch this. Kills himself.
I has BC. I has OBC.
Let's go download some cars. Let's download some cars.
Hold OBC.
Hand. Oops. I can, like, tear apart these buildings.
Chuck up. Hey, watch this, Max. Chuck scarred himself.
No, because this is a tornado map.
Gaming.
You can
MG. Drake's dead. MD. Drake
Chunky's dead.
Physics object. I kill. You got clocks. You got a lot of clocks. Now that's a lot of damage. Okay, guys, sorry if this cuts out early. We literally cannot see when the recording ends.
How do I pause this?
Oh, you have a pistol. Go to 3, go to 3, go to 3, go to 3. RPG. No, click exit. Try scrolling. Sorry.
Alright, so what we're gonna do now is...
Click,
so what we're gonna do now is we are going to download some car mods.
And then when I play the game, I'm going to get a shooting range and physics gun and a bunch of other guns and kind of just play around with them. Or maybe I might get a Skyrim mod. I don't know. I might get a Skyrim mod. Cause DK. Chunky's dead. DK. Oh. 8. Just remember, guys, we're gonna publish Pet Squad Racing next.
Where's a cool one?
Where I'm going to be driving around in free mode, just kind of being dumb.
Where's a cool one?
Search up Bugatti.
No, that's dumb.
Why?
Storm chasing in a Bugatti. Who does that? I like that
one. DK. Chunky's dead.
I'm actually gonna go.
Let's go.
Alright.
We should make a video called Gary's Mod in Real Life.
Alright.
I'm going to the bathroom.
Alright.
Don't come into the bathroom.
Alright, I will be sure to bring the face camera in there.
Drake, you suck.
Why?
You just said you'd bring a face camera in here while I'm crapping. Can the mic hear me?
I don't know.
Good.
Well, I said I don't know.
I know. I'll take a maybe over a no.
Okay, well, here's that.
Cause Bugatti. Start game. Who is this man's?
Whose man's is this little guy?
We're gonna name him Bob. His name is Bob.
Where is it? No, literally, where is this little thing?
Do a helicopter.
Where's my truck?
Do a helicopter.
Where's my truck?
I don't know.
Where's my truck?
I don't know, mans.
Where's my truck? Where's my truck?
Also, after Pet Squad Racing, we will be uploading. Passing Pine View Drive. Main characters. Choose that guy. Choose that guy.
Nah.
Choose the spider guy.
No. It's like a spider chicken.
Did you just call it a spider chicken?
Yeah.
Chicken! It's on. Who is that?
I don't know.
You were just clicking characters. I thought you could be the characters. That's weird. Uh-oh. He's alive!
Oh, hey there, Bill.
Oh, hey there, Billy. How goes it? Oh, hey there, Jeff. How goes it? My leg.
Look at this thing.
Is that a doll? That's so creepy.
No, ready? Dang it.
Chuck it.
That didn't go very far.
Chucks doll at himself. Kills himself. Oof.
Oh my god! I just threw a person at that and the whole thing went down.
Drake, check if we're still recording. Drake, exit full screen. Click settings, click options.
It's fine. We're recording.
No,
oh my god. Yes, we are.
Oh,
see?
Yeah. You didn't have to quit the game, well, okay.
Okay, well, I want to download mods. Where the frick did Steam go?
It disappeared. And so, guys, we're changing it up. We're, like, not going to do, like...
Well, actually, how did you get to the thing? How did you get to the thing? Get me
well,
to the thing.
First we click community.
Green hell.
What did you just say?
I said green hell.
Workshop.
Well, actually, not. That's not subscribed.
Workshop.
Work. No.
Oh, what?
Workshop.
Workshop.
Can you pause the recording?
Recently viewed hubs. Click that. Why? Why?
Because.
Well, you have to pause it because you took the mouse. We are going. So sorry if it accidentally cuts out. Hopefully you'll capture the experience and the funniness of it because we can't see. Playing in the sandbox. Oh, that's fun.
What the frick?
Did you subscribe?
Yes, I subscribed to the frickin' vehicles.
Just play around with the with the physics gun.
So you got the maps.
And they... Confirm.
Alright.
Now just click... Now just exit back to menu. Exit back to menu, and then start a new game. And then... This guy's name is Jod.
Jod.
Cringy guy. Ooh! Shoot that! What the? Where did it go?
It's over there. Whoops.
Whoops. Oopsie. You can drive.
Alright, well, let's go.
Let's have some fun. Drive off that ledge. Pet squad racing is fun. Oof!
Oh, that
happened.
The car's stuck now.
You have to get out. You have 95 health still. Chuck's built. Chuck's.
No, my car.
Run!
Where are the tornadoes and when are they getting here?
Oh, there's lightning. Go try and get struck by lightning.
Is that a POP 50?
Did you just say Popey?